What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. So as you can see, we have Pearlin here in the background. She's looking bad right now. She on the drag pack. So what I want to do for this video is basically go back to the original style where I'm just gonna give you guys a truck update. But first, we gotta get off this drag pack because that is looking hideous on her. So before I cut back in, I'm gonna go ahead and put in this new intro. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so we are back. As you can see, we are off of that hideous drag pack. You can kind of see it in the bed right there. So yeah, like I said, I just kind of wanted to do an original style video, give you guys a truck update about stuff that's probably going to be happening, how I'm feeling about this thing, things I want to do to it, and so on and so forth. So let's get into it. So first of all, let's start at the back of the truck with the exhaust. I'm gonna be staying true duals, as you guys know, or for those of you that do not know, I have an X pipe about right here after my headers, and then I have two Black Widow 10-inch Widow makers, and then I have the tips ran to look like it's a single tip, but it's actually two separate pipes. So the thing about the exhaust is this thing sounds amazing at the high RPMs, sounds amazing while it's sitting here idling. I get a lot of compliments on this exhaust, but I don't know if I'm just getting older or what it is, but I kind of want to start changing this thing around to be, I guess the word would be presentable, or have let's just say I want to make this thing looks like it has manners. So I've already talked to Lewis at Aces Performance off of 610, and I'm probably going to be changing the mufflers out to a MagnaFlow bigger body muffler. Reason why I'm going with MagnaFlow is, like I said, I have true duals and they are dual 3-inch pipes. I would go back with a Borla, but if I do two XR1s, I'll be pretty much at the same volume that I am now. And the Pro XS that I had when I first cammed this thing, it sounded great, don't get me wrong, but that muffler was 2.5 in and 2.5 out. So MagnaFlow is like the only person that has a dual in, dual out 3-inch muffler without me having to do two separate mufflers again, which I wouldn't have a problem with that either. But like I said, the whole thing, I'm trying to tone it down, and I've heard a video with the MagnaFlow that, or close to the MagnaFlow I want, and that idle is going to sound, let's just leave that for a separate video. But yeah, so I'm changing the exhaust. Everybody always gets on me because this is like the 10th setup I've had, but this is actually the longest setup I've had. Yeah, this exhaust has been on the truck for probably around, I want to say, since I sold the Corsa muffler to my buddy. Yeah, these Black Widows have been on this truck, so it's been well over a year, probably 2 years now. And then let's not forget, I've had Black Widows before the Corsa mufflers. Yeah, so thinking about changing the exhaust. Like I said, let's stay around here at the back. So lately I've been getting a lot of questions about that third brake light. I did get that third brake light on offer up. Now with this third brake light, that one is LED. It is super hard to find an OEM one that's not cracked without paying GM a lot of dollars for a simple plastic light. So I just decided to pay 40 bucks, get that one. But like I said, that one's LED. These tail lights are not LEDs. So I was contemplating the idea of swapping these out for an LED style tail light, but I'm still unsure on that. I don't know if I want to do a full LED or if I want to get the Denali tail lights. And if you don't know what the Denali ones look like, so pretty much this outline will be black and your two reflectors will be black, and then the rest of it will be the red like it is, so it'll kind of blend in with that light. So yeah, that's what I want to do with the lights. And then also I've also contemplated taking that off and putting the original tailgate wing back on there. So that's also an option. Let me know what you guys think about that. Pretty much the truck will still have the same stands, same wheels, but it won't look as fast as it does now. And we all know this truck is slow. Let's not gas it up, but nah, just kidding. So yeah, probably take off the tailgate wing, see how many more people will try it out then. So yeah, that's exhaust, tailgate, tail lights. Onto a common subject about this truck, the wheels. So I by no means am thinking about selling these wheels. Again, let me put that. These wheels are amazing on this truck. I absolutely love these wheels. They are great. They complement it very well. But I just kind of want a race star setup. I want to do a 20 in the front or 17s in the back. Kind of give it that, that, let's go ahead and say it, race truck stance. But I mean, it's not a necessity, because the ones that I want are the chrome race stars, and the difference in price between the black ones and the chrome ones are like stupid. Like, people want like an extra $1,000 just because they're chrome race stars, and I don't know how I feel about all that. So that will come if I just look up on a deal, or if I just fall into the money, or hit a couple licks somewhere, But for right now, these wheels are staying. I'm not getting my hopes up on that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the back half of the truck. And then since we're on the side here, the wheels. Now move over to the front. So as you guys can probably tell, ever since I've had this truck, I took off the original grill, and I originally had an OEM 1500 Denali grill, but that's all I had from the Denali. Now I have this 1500 replica 2500 Denali grill, so I didn't have to cut my pad or anything right there. So I was thinking, since I already have the Denali grill, I want to probably try and do a Denali valence and lip, kind of pretty much tie it all together. And then for the bumper, I'll get my guy Ore at Auto Bionics. I believe that's how you say his shop name. I'll put it right here, and he does an excellent job. He got this truck shined up for me one time, and it was so clean. Like, I put it in the garage and didn't drive it for like almost a month because it was so clean. I didn't want to get it dirty. But yeah, so I'll probably end up talking with him and color matching the front and the rear bumper to this pearl white. If you guys know about the knowledge, it's only the bumpers for the pearl white, and then the mirrors are still chrome. So probably gonna talk to him eventually once I make my mind up about that. And then if we step right in front, and let's just picture what's under here right quick. So as we all know, my name is Trent 5 Tree, 5 tree is technically 5.3, but I don't know if I'm going to just continue to keep the 5.3 in here. There is nothing wrong with this motor, by the way. I am actually, you know, happy with the power that it puts out, but I was thinking if I found a 4th gen 6.0 to fit this truck at a decent price, oh man, this 5.3 might be coming out of here. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not set on that, because like I said, I do have a lot of fun with this 5.3 setup, and everybody has seen how this 5.3 does against other ones. But man, I got to thinking about what a 6.0 would do in here and what I would want to build it for, or how to build it, and this thing would be dangerous once that's done. Like, I would completely change the like I said, obviously the motor would be different. It'll have a different cam, and then I would change the stall converter. I'll leave the same gears, and this thing would be stupid. So yeah, that's what I've been thinking about doing on this truck. Other than that, that's for outside and you know, mechanicals. But as far as the inside goes, I'll probably try to, I've been saying, probably get the interior redone. I don't want to do no fancy flashy interior. To me, hate me if you want to, but whenever people go do those full interiors for their truck, it still looks kind of cheap to me. So I just kind of want to basically get some kind of leather cover to where it looks OEM and doesn't have too many designs in it, to where it's kind of simple, but it still looks clean. You can still tell that it's been touched. So that's what I want to do with the interior. And actually, I forgot one more thing that I want to do to the back half of the truck, and that's going to be traction bars. So this thing needs traction bars. I've said it in the earlier video. I'm probably going to end up getting those. That's probably going to be the first thing, probably after the MagnaFlow. I'll probably do the MagnaFlow first, and then I'll do traction bars. And yeah, so that way I can save my rear end whenever I get on it, and I don't feel all the hopping back inside the cab, because then I know I'm probably finna break something. But yeah, so that's the only thing I forgot on the outside. Like I said, I want to probably redo the interior on it. I need to get a new windshield because it has been cracked. I know if you paid attention in some other videos, you can see from the inside that it's cracked, so that will require new windshield and redoing the windshield tint. Obviously, I'll do another 50%. That's perfect. I can still see at night. Yes, the cops mess with me, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, so like I said, just quick truck update like I used to do. Yeah, other than that, like I said, I'm pretty happy with how the truck is. Just, I'm pretty much, everything that I want to change is like small items and upgrade stuff that, you know, has already been here for a while. So guys, this is all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Like I said, just change a few things on the truck. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Once again, the lights, cow tracks or traction bars, whichever brand I get, wheels possibly, but not really, the muffler system, what else did we say, the tailgate, possible motor, and yeah, the interior. So it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. And so yeah, I don't really know what else I would want to do to this thing, to be honest. It's so good how it is right now. But yeah, guys, like I said, just a quick truck update like I used to. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop it down in the comments below. Follow me everywhere at Trent5Tree. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.